Glossies, I hope you're all having a really fabulous day. Today I've taken over the Glossybox YouTube channel to bring you some of my favourite beauty hacks for the month of love. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Willow Biggs. I have my own Instagram and YouTube channel where I get to do Glossybox unboxings. Now in today's video we're going to be using all products from the Look Fantastic website. For those of you that don't know, Look Fantastic website is such a great place to discover the latest beauty and skincare and makeup products. However, if you're a Glossybox subscriber, you can earn yourself Glossy credits by reviewing your subscription box each month and spending those credits on the Look Fantastic website. Okay, so let's get into these fabulous, fun beauty hacks. So for those of you that do know me from my channel, you will know that I absolutely love putting on fake freckles. And in today's video, we're going to be checking out the sponge technique. So for this hack, you are going to need three things. First of all, you're going to need a face mister or face setting spray. For the sake of this video, I'm using the Pixi Glow Mist, which I absolutely love. Next, we're going to be using a sponge, so your kitchen sponge. And finally, you're going to be needing your favourite bronzer. So for this video, I'm going to be using my MAC bronzer. This is a firm favourite of mine. So, okay, I don't know how this is going to work, but I'm interested to see. We're going to take our kitchen sponge and we're just going to get it really wet with face mister. Okay, yeah, feels pretty wet. And then we're going to go into our bronzer. Okay, so I'm just going to dapple it on our cheeks. Okay, so that was the quickest freckle drawing session I think I have ever done, and I love drawing freckles on. Personally for me, it's quite intense, but I reckon if I go in with a little bit of bronzer and a little bit of powder, I think I can calm it down a bit. However, I think this is a win. Do you, like me, have eyeshadow palettes that are absolutely covered in your favourite eyeshadows? Here is a quick hack to help you clean them. First of all, take your favourite blusher or bronzer powder and then take a dry or very, very slightly damp face wipe. Pop it inside. And tie it up. And then all you're going to do is run this over the top of your palette. To get off all the extra makeup. Okay, so our next hack is a real fun one. If you ever wanted to be a little bit more daring with colour, have you ever thought about using your lipstick as eyeliner? So for this hack, I'm quite excited because we're going to be trying to do red eyeliner using liquid lipstick. Okay, so I'm just going to take some bright red lipstick, which I would never be brave enough to wear, but I would probably be brave enough to wear it on my eyes as a bold look. I'm just going to take a little brush and then we're going to draw a little wing. Now for this hack, you are going to need two things: your favourite mascara and a spoon. Wonder what we're going to do. So in this hack, we're going to be using a teaspoon to cover our eye makeup so we can really, really get the best out of our mascara. See how we get on. Ooh. I am not sure about that hack. For me, that was really, really hard. I think if you are maybe a little bit more ambidextrous or you find it easier to Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, so for this next hack, we are going to show our nails a little love. Nails ink and a toothpick. So then take your pink nail varnish and using the lid of the nail varnish itself, pop a few drops on because this is going to be your palette. Next, take your toothpick and draw 2 little dots on your nails. You're then going to bring the 2 together and then you've got your own little heart. And my final hack for this video is giving yourself more kissable, beautiful lips by getting them that little bit more juicy. Okay, so I have never tried lip contouring before, but apparently it's a thing. So we're gonna have a little play. To do this, I'm using a brown kind of darkish lip pencil. We have this one from MAC. It is the Spice colour. I've had this for a while. It's actually a really nice colour. Okay, so we're gonna start off just on the outside edge. And then I'm just going to go in with a little bit of lip balm in the middle, just to soften and blend. Okay, but you don't have to stop there. You can draw a line here as well. Oh, do you know, I think that works. So guys, there you have it, a full face of hacks. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Have you tried any of these hacks before? Do you use them all the time? Let me know your thoughts. But guys, that is everything from me today. Stay glossy, take care, and I'll see you all very soon.